My name is Navnita Viswas. I am PhD. I have 6 years of work experience. My school is in North and Middle Andaman district. The highest peak of Andaman Nicobar Island is Saddle Peak, which is situated in Diglipur, North Andaman, and it is close to my school. I teach in primary school GPS BBP RK Gram, and there are 29 students and they all belong to rural area. In my class, I have some slow learners and they get bored when I teach them English because English is not their mother tongue. When I attended ZIIEI program, I realized how can I improve learning of my student through zero investment. In Innovating Pathshala training session, in that session, I understood that I need to engage my students in an innovative way in my classroom to make better learning outcomes. I have seen lots of benefits in that training session, that there are so many innovative ideas in my mind, and my trainer Mr. Vinit Bhatt helped me a lot to implement these ideas in my classroom. My solution is that to engage all students in my class, especially the slow learners, through playway method. It is hard to get attention of slow learners compared to other learners. So I think through the playway method, I can easily engage the slow learners and make my classroom more interesting and joyful. I have found an innovative way to introduce new words in class 1 through playway method. Let's move on to the activity. Dear students, I have some gift boxes for you. You can call surprise boxes also. Look at this box. This is a surprise box for you, and in this box, this is a capital letter A and a small letter A. This is a student based activity, but due to COVID situation we don't have any student, so I will perform how students do it. Let's open this box and see what's inside. Oh, this is an apple. Apple start with the letter A. The spelling of apple is APPLE, and the spelling of apple is start with A. Now look at this big blue box. The big blue box all start with the letter B. There is a capital letter B and a small letter b. Okay, now I am opening this box. Let's see what's inside. Oh, this is a ball. The spelling of ball starts with the letter B. The spelling of ball is BALL, and it starts with B. Oh, one more thing is there. It is a boat. The spelling of boat starts with B. The spelling of boat is BOAT. Boat. And the spelling boat starts with the letter B. Whoa, we have another surprise box. The name of the box is C. Let's open what's inside. So this is a car. The spelling of car is C-A-R, car. The spelling of car starts with the letter C. So from these innovative activities, the student can learn more new words by using alphabets. So I believe that my school should be considered as a model school because every week in my classroom I do role play and engage all students in it. I always use playway method to teach all the subjects. With the help of students, I have done so many wall paintings in my school.